Hi everyone, I'm Elena, a member of Citizen Climate Classes, a community of individuals who is seeking to address climate change by learning and growing together. Every now and then we'll post some videos that are just tips and suggestions for how to improve sustainable living. So today we're going to talk about how you can reduce your use of paper towels in your home by upcycling some of your old shirts or shirts that you've collected throughout the year. So let's take a look at that. All right, so here I have a basket where throughout the year I collect different shirts that I get either from volunteering or from work-related events, or maybe even some that I've bought. So every 6 months to a year, I'll go through them to see, well, what am I wearing? What can I use as rags? What do I want to keep? And things like that. So I'll just show you my process that I walk through in identifying what to upcycle. This is a shirt I bought a while back, but I don't really use, so I'm gonna include that in the pile to chop up. This one, for example, is actually 15 years old. It's from college, but I use it all the time. I love it. I think it just has sentimental value and I find it to be rather comfy. So even though it has some holes in it, I'm just gonna keep it because I know I'm gonna wear it. The way I see it is, even if it's old, if I wear it and I love it, if it sparks joy, then I'll keep it. Here's another one that I don't even know where I got this, so it's gonna go over here. I don't think I've even worn it. Here's another work shirt that I got. I actually really love the colors, but it was a little bit too big, so I ended up not really using it. So that one's gonna go into this pile. Everything else in here kind of fits the same category as this one, where it's kind of old, but I love it and I use it. So I'm just gonna keep everything else. So even if it's new-ish, if you don't use it, it's okay to upcycle it, really. If it's new and use it, then definitely keep it in the pile. All right, so then let's get to the cutting up. So this part is fairly simple. Let me start with the orange one because it's bright, and there's a couple things I wanted to point out here. So this piece is a little bit like it's clothy inside, but it's a little bit I don't know, rough material right here that isn't really something we could use easily to clean up. So I've decided maybe this piece I'm going to cut that out and leave that aside. So I'll take out all those magenta pieces, even though I love the color, but it's just not gonna work for cleaning up. But the back, as you can see, is all clear, so that'll be perfect for cutting up into different rags and pieces that I can use for cleaning up. So all you need is a pair of scissors and a table, and you can get started. All right, I'm going to stop the video and finish this up. I'll be right back when I'm done. Hi guys, I'm back. I finished cutting up the shirt, so let me show you what I have. I have here, these are some of the sleeves actually. I wouldn't get rid of the sleeves. I know they look small and you're wondering well, what am I gonna use these for? But I like to use them to clean bathroom mirrors. It's small and quick and easy to spray Windex on the mirror and then wipe it down, and then I can just kind of let it dry and then dry, and then I can put it in the hamper to wash later. So I think they're really great. This is a bit of a middle-sized one. This and this was, no, not this, sorry guys. This piece here was, the back of the shirt, and I cut it into two. I might use this to make a little ad hoc coronavirus mask now that we're in quarantine that I can wear to go out. So that's why I cut that out separately, and I might make another video about that later. But then this one, it's a little bit bigger, but this is great because I can use it for dusting, or if I spilled something on the floor, milk, I can quickly, you know, use it to pick that up. This is like, again, a little bit oddly shaped. This was one of the sides from, remember I mentioned that I couldn't really use this piece, so I kind of took this out, and you know, I ended up with this kind of long piece on the side that is a little bit awkwardly shaped, but it's still really good for like dusting and wiping things down. So I'm definitely going to keep this. So let me show you, you know, how I store them, and then we're done here. Now that we've cut up the rags, I just wanted to show you quickly how you can use them to clean things up. So I'm in my bathroom. I can easily spray down my bathroom mirror and then use the rag I just made to wipe it down, and see, no residue. It's perfect, just as if I had used a paper towel, and now I don't have to worry about having something that I'm going to throw away. I can just throw it in the hamper and wash it with my next load of laundry, or go over and clean other mirrors I have. Thanks everyone for tuning in to learn a little bit about how you can reduce your use of paper towels by turning some of your used or old shirts that you no longer use into rags to clean up around your house. Stay tuned for some additional future videos. Thanks.